Hello, everyone. I apologize for the delays. Things have been busy, but don't worry, I'm here now. So today we're going to be looking at the push along all engines go duck. In case you're wondering why there's tape, it's because my niece accidentally ripped this part off. But I'm not worried, as I'm going to take them out of the packaging anyways. But yeah, here's Duck, the Great Western Pannier Tank Engine. And at least in all engines go, the character with the shortest amount of screen time, with a total of 5 seconds. I said, well, but since All Engines Go is its own thing, I'm not gonna count that, but I still count Bertram as the character with the shortest amount of screen time. Again, since All Engines Go is its own thing. Here's the promo for the character. Get back. But yeah, I am very happy to find at least one Duck. Since Duck is one of my favorite characters, and probably one of the most popular in the fandom. Gonna go ahead and take him out. And here's Duck out of his packaging. Yeah, that's a nice duck face. I'm gonna say this is probably one of the best All Legends Go models. I mean, look at Duck. Look at him. Yeah, he has red buffer beams on the front, but not at the back. The side, just the same. Top. And the bottom. Duck. Copyright 2021. Even though this is a 2024 item. But yeah, this Duck looks absolutely great. However, if there's one thing I have to criticize, it's the wheels. Yes, they're yellow. I get that Mattel did this as a joke, but come on, Duck with yellow wheels? That's just wrong. But I don't have to worry though, because just about a couple of nights ago, I found another All Legends Go Push Along Salty. As you can see, he has black wheels. So, I am planning on switching the wheels from this Salty with this Duck. So I can give Duck more accurate colored wheels and give this Salty, yellow wheels to resemble his prototype. But yeah. Interestingly, Duck is the last quote unquote new character to have an all engines go push along model. Interestingly, this is his first and currently only push-along model. So yeah, there's not much else to say about him. Let's see, yellow whistle, green dome. Yeah, this is one of the good-looking character. Oh dear. Again, Duck is one of my favorite characters, and I had to get him. And I'm very pleased to find at least one Duck. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it on Duck, the Great Western Engine. You know, it's a shame because Duck only had 5 seconds of screen time in the series' final special, Solar Sings Together, I believe. And how he appeared in it was not good. Honestly, I feel like it was a complete letdown because Donald and Douglas are also going to make a return in the special, but were dropped and replaced by the slip coaches, which Duck can be seen polling. And interestingly, and funnily enough, I originally did not intend on getting Duck because, well, you know. But you know what? I changed my mind. So yeah, again, the model looks good. Yellow wheels are a bit of an issue, but I'm not worried because, again, I have a new All Legends Go Push on Salty. This is the new one. I still have one from last year, so I'm just gonna switch the wheels from Salty to Duck so I can give them more accurately colored wheels, and give these yellow wheels to Salty to resemble his prototype as to how he appeared before the finalized character. Well, yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you very much for watching. And, well, you know the rest. Until then, see you next time.